Cadence, and today I'm going to be reading a book to you. Reading picture books is one of my favorite things to do. My family used to read to me when I was growing up, and I loved it so much that when I grew up, I decided to become a first grade teacher, and I get to read books to kids every day as my job. I love sharing books with kids, so today I'm going to share the book Nicky and the Rainy Day to you. This book is by Valerie Gorobachev. And this book is a fiction book about Nicky, and he's gonna go on a rainy day adventure. Let's read. Okay, we're reading Nicky and the Rainy Day. Here we have a rainy puddle, and they are bunnies. It was a rainy day. Nicky and his brothers and sisters couldn't go out to play. "It's awful to be stuck inside all day," said Nicky. "It's so boring," everyone agreed. It's rainy, so the bunnies are inside the house. "Mother," said Nathan, "we're bored." "We don't like the rain," said Nora. "Yes," said Nellie. "We can't go outside. There's nothing to do," said Ned. "Why don't you read a book or play cards while I fix lunch?" said Mother Rabbit. "I have a better idea," said Nicky. "We can go to the desert." "Oh, Mama is cooking lunch. The bunny kids are gonna play. They have to play inside because they can't go outside." We're gonna go to a desert. The desert is sunny and bright with beautiful yellow sand, and it never rains there. This is in their imagination. They are pretending. There's camel, umbrella, sand, hat. "No, no," said Mother Rabbit. "That's impossible." "Why not?" asked Nathan. "It's a great idea." She says, "No, you can't do that." "But it's so hot in the desert," said Nora. "And yes," said Nellie, "and there's nothing to drink there." "And we could get lost," said Ned. "Okay," said Nicky, "then we'll go to the mountains." So they're changing their idea. No desert. Now they'll go to the mountains. The mountains are very big with beautiful blue cliffs. There's a blue cliff. The cliff mountains. It's cold. Jacket, hat, rope. "No, no," said Mother Rabbit. "That's impossible." "Why not?" asked Nathan. "It's a great idea." "But there are landslides in the mountains," said Nora. "Yes, and mountain lions too," said Nellie. "And we could get lost," said Ned. "Okay," said Nicky, "then we'll go to the jungle." We're gonna go to the jungle. The bunnies are gonna pretend to go to the jungle. The jungle is leafy and green and very beautiful. We have vines, monkey, parrot, alligator, boat, hat, leaves. "No, no," said Mother Rabbit. "That's impossible." "Why not?" asked Nathan. "It's a great idea." "But there are lots of wild animals in the jungle," said Nora. "Yes, and snakes too," said Nellie. And we could get lost, said Ned. Okay, said Nicky. Then we'll go to the South Pole. They have brooms. They are cleaning, wiping, sweeping, cleaning, mopping, helping Mom. North Pole. Oh, South Pole. The South Pole has lots of beautiful white snow. White snow. Penguin, walrus, water, sled, skis, dogs to pull the sled, coats, big coats, warm coats. No, no, said Mother Rabbit, that's impossible. Why not? Asked Nathan. It's a great idea. But it's freezing cold at the South Pole, said Nora. Yes, and there are blizzards too, said Nellie. And we could get lost, said Ned. Okay, said Nicky. Then we'll go to outer space. Mom still says, no, not a good idea, but they're still coming up with ideas in their brain. Outer space. Outer space is filled with beautiful red and orange planets. Planet, 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 rocket, astronaut, and spacesuit. No, said Mother Rabbit, we are not going to outer space. We are going for a walk in the meadow. Look, the rain has stopped and the sun is coming out. Hooray! Cried all the little rabbits. Happy! The sun came outside and no more rain. They can go outside now. Ooh, splashing in the puddles, but the sun is out. They put on their raincoats and boots and headed outside. Isn't it nice to go for a walk after the rain? Asked Mother Rabbit. Oh, yes, agreed Nicky and his brothers and sisters as they splashed in the puddles. It's fun and beautiful too, said Mother Rabbit. Look up there. They see the sun because there's no more rain. Wow, said Nathan. It's great. It's blue and green and yellow and orange and red, said Nora. With white clouds too, said Nellie. And it's right near our house, so we won't get lost, said Ned. Going on a walk, they see the green and the yellow and the red. What is it? It's a rainbow, explained Mother Rabbit. You see them sometimes right after it has rained. Then let's go to the rainbow, said Nicky. No, no, said Mother Rabbit. That's impossible. Maybe not, said Nicky. We could try. So they see a rainbow, and a rainbow is really just light. You can't actually go to the rainbow, but the kids are gonna try, even though Mama Bunny knows that they can't really go. They can just look at the blue, green, yellow, orange, and red light in the sky. And that's just what they did. So they're gonna go try and get to it, but they probably won't be able to.